Okay, for those of you who've already bought this drill and found they've had some problems with it, I'm going to show you a solution I found. So this is my old drill, yeah? Let me just turn it on. So obviously you've got three little buttons here. You've got the speed, then you've got the, in the middle is off. Okay, so now I found a fault with this. So depending on how you turn it, it goes on and off. Okay, but I have since found a solution, which I'm going to show you. I'll just turn this one off. So this is an old one, which was kindly replaced by the seller because it developed the fault and that it wouldn't work anymore. So what I think was the problem is that if you look at this, you've got this wire and you've got the weight of this. When you're holding it and you're using it, you've got the weight of this wire up in the air, and I think it's pulling on this. So what I've done, which seems to have worked so far, because obviously they sent me a replacement. We'd already tried new cables and they were fine at first and then got the same problem. So let me just plug this other one in and I'll show you what I've done. Right, put that onto one side. So I literally found, quite by accident, a Velcro strap which I'd used on one of my computers. For one of my, came with one of my wires on my computers, on some electrical stuff anyway. So I literally connected it. There's a little loop on the back there, which I've put around the wire. I've literally popped it around there. Left a bit of a gap there, so literally now instead of the weight being on this end, it'll be the weight will be supported by this. Okay, and I literally hold it when I'm using it, and I can adjust it slightly. Hold on, let me just adjust it. I'm not very good at making videos, but I wanted to show you this because I found it really, really useful. Right. Okay, so when I'm using it, I have it like this. Okay, so like I said, the wire there is supported. The weight is held there, so I'm using it like this. And let me turn it on. I mean, normally I use my spare hand to turn it on, but for obvious reasons, I've got the phone, the camera in the other one. Okay, so now I can still use it as I would normally use it, and in actual fact, it's easy to get at the speed because if I wanted to, I can adjust it one-handed. Just grip it there. Whereas before it'd be all like it'd be out of my reach, but now it makes it easier for me to do that. And I can also turn it off that way, or change direction. But literally a simple thing of just putting a strap around the actual body of the unit, making sure the vents are clear, just means that the weight's no longer on the back end of the drill. I have to say this Dremel is really, really good. I'm happy with it, and I'm a first time person with nails and stuff, so I'm still learning. Ignore mine, they're in a bad way, so I'm not doing anything with mine just yet. But you can hear how fast it goes. But then you've got, for when you're doing your natural nails, that's how low it goes. But anyway, I hope you find it as useful as I did.
Welcome to the show, let everybody know I'm done playing the game, I'll break out of the chains. You better buckle up, I'll pour another cup. This is my bohem, so drink it up, my friend. Woo! Woo! This story is my truth. I went to hell and back to find myself on track. I broke the code, whoa, like Ammonites. I just gave it some time. Now I found paradise. I broke the code, whoa. Yeah, let me tell you a tale about life, for the good and the bad, better hold on tight. Who decides what's wrong, what's right? Everything is balanced, everything's light. I got so much on my mind, and I've been awake all night. I'm so pumped, I'm so psyched, it's bigger than me. I'm getting so hyped like, woo! Let me taste the lows and highs. Woo! Let me feel that burning fright. Woo! This story is my truth. I went to hell and back to find myself on track. I broke the code, whoa, like Ammonites. I just gave it some time. Now I found paradise. I broke the code, whoa. Somewhere between the O's and ones, that's where I found my kingdom come. My heart beats like somewhere between the O's and ones. That's where I found my kingdom come. My heart beats like a drum.
I mean, this nail filing kit's actually very nice. It looks very luxurious. The case holder is not very heavy, and you can clip it on your belt or somewhere similar. When it's not in use, you can put your nail tool in there. It charges up via the power adapter into here, and that part plugs in. Very easy to use. And you've got these ceramic bits and the different metal ones and the sanding discs, and to change the tip is very easy. You've got a locking mechanism where you unlock and you pull the part out and you change it for one of those, and you insert it back in, lock it, and that's it. And it's very comfortable, very lightweight to hold. Very easy to hold there or there, and to turn it on, you turn the dial. It's very silent and precise. The vibration, very easy to handle with. It feels good, and then you can go in reverse by pressing the fast forward or reverse button. That changes to A. And then it goes into the other direction. I mean, when you put it on your hand, you can feel it coming this way. And then when you press it, go to F, forward. But this time it feels like it wants to run that way, so you know the direction. And it's actually really easy to use, precise. When you have it on high speed, this does not tremble like crazy. And it's very easy to work, and those are very handy, and it's got other uses as well as a nail. I mean, you've got these different parts. You can have other applications for grinding and sanding, So, but for nail wise, this is amazing. This is very useful. Feels good as well.
For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away. And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't.
¿No hace falta? No puede ser, mira mis botas. Me he llenado de barro.
¿No te gusta mucho el campo, eh?
No, yo no le gusto al campo, es diferente.
Qué curioso, pensaba que eras ecologista y resulta que estás en contra de la naturaleza.